Hello everybody, welcome to Trading Max Club channel. Today we're going to be looking at a couple of stocks. It was fantastic. It is April 8th, 2024. And let's take a look at the trading journal. Here we go! Alright guys, so today I traded a stock early in the morning, but before we traded, I needed to go look at the scanners. So let's go look at the scanner real quickly. And if you look at the scanner, at David said, "Scanner's up and running. Good luck and happy trading." So at around 8:31 a.m., it printed all of these. And of this, I like the one with the little rocket. You see the little rocket, AUUD. 25% from open, so let's go. Like I bought this right away. It was beautiful. It was beautiful. So let's go back to the trade, to the trading view. And let me show you how it all went down, because you see it and you go, whoa, how did you make 24%? Right? So let's go ahead and erase everything and let's go back in time and show you. I mean, of course, you see the little blue arrow and then the red arrow. That's where I sold it. And notice that I'm in TradeStation. This is a real brokerage account. It's not like paper trading or anything like that. This is my real money. So let me show you how it all went down. Let's go back in time. So let's put it at 8:20 in the morning, and I'm looking at this stock, and the scanner from our Discord, from Trading Max Club Discord, alerts us that AUD is a great stock to buy. So let's go ahead and run it at 0.3 speed. And so here it comes, and then all of a sudden, market opens. And as soon as market opened, I already had my my trade box open, and I already knew how much I was gonna put. I was gonna put all my money. I was gonna go all in this thing. And I knew the amount of shares and everything. So as soon as market opened, boom, right there, I bought it. I bought it at, what was it, $4.14. And then let's see what happened. And guys, for this one, there was no pitchfork. I mean, how can you draw a pitchfork on this one? This one went parabolic. And guess what, guys? It didn't even give me a chance to think. I put my sell at $5. And look what this candle did to my sell. I put an automatic sell at $5. $5 and somewhere there, right? $5.50. And guess what, guys? It just went boom. I think my sell was more closer to 5 and 5.15, something like this. And it hit my sell. I couldn't even I put the automatic sell there. And it didn't even give me a chance to think. I was going to draw a pitchfork. I was going to try to do something. I wanted to see where this could go. Maybe a line, a trend line. Nothing. It just hit. And I was like, okay, I'll take the 24%. Well, this is not really a play that happens a lot. You know, it's one of those where, okay, you get in, 5 minutes later, you got 24%. It's beautiful. But that's not a replayable play. Let's take a look at the second play I did, because that one is replayable. Let's go back to our scanners. And if we go back to our scanners, you will notice that LBGN printed at 8:38 a.m. So LBGN was there, and then it had a little rocket at 8:46. So as soon as I got it, remember, I was in AUD for 5 minutes. So at 8:35 I was ready to trade again. And so at 8:35 I went to LBGN. So 8:35. So this is right here. So at this red candle I was ready to trade again. And I saw LBGN and I got in. Boom! I got in at $3.69. Because look, see, the MACD was open. Now this is the kind of setup that I like. This is the setup that I love. I don't just like, I love. The other one, the AUD, not really. I mean, to me, this is not something that I look for. This is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for market open, it goes parabolic, then it pulls back at 45 degrees, then it prints by at market open, and then it runs to the pitchfork line, okay? So let's go ahead and replay it so you can see how I traded this one, because this one is the one that I want to promote. I don't want to promote anything else because, I mean, everything else seems like hard to play. Okay, let's go back in time. Let me show you how this all went down. Let's go back. Remember, I was in AUD, and thank God I was out so quickly because I was able to come to this stock. So remember, I'm in AUD, 5 minutes go in, and I get out. And the next thing you know, I'm looking at the scanners, I'm looking at a LBGN, and then I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go, and notice what it does at market open. It's beautiful. I love these things. But when they do that at market open, that it actually lets you fill down here. I could have bought it at $3.42 if you think about it. But I remember I was in another stock right now. And then what did it do? At 8:35 a.m., it right here. This is 8:35. This is when I get out of AAD. This still was giving you a chance to get in at around 366. And then I came over, and as soon as it printed buy, check this out, guys. Right there, it prints buy, and I get in. I get in at $3.68. I was lucky enough that it pulled back a little bit and printed buy. As soon as I saw this MACD line above the signal line and this histogram getting volume, and I saw this buy, that's my setup, guys. That's it. That's the Leal setup. I love this. Look at this. Goes up, comes back, prints buy. I'm in. I mean, there's no way to stop me. I love these. I could do these. If you gave me a setup like this every day, 3 times a day, I would take it 100% of the time. Okay? This will make you a millionaire, guys. You want to make $1 million in 1 year? This is the setup you want. You want up, pull back, and then it runs. You got to look for MACD open. You got to look for the histogram up, and you got to look at the buy signal. Now, guys, I'm in this trade. I'm in this trade at $3.68. So let's put it right there. And so remember, it takes 5 minutes for this candle to print. So while I'm waiting, I draw a pitchfork. I go like this. Boom, boom, boom. Let's do it again because I forgot to tell you. Everybody repeat after me. From the low to the high to the buy. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. One more time. How do we draw a pitchfork, guys? From the low to the high to the buy. Now, guys, if you notice, I'm extra careful. I could have put this over here like this, and that could have been but I usually put it here at the lowest point. Is it according to Luis, the other Trading Max Club owner? There's 3 owners, of course. There's David, there's Luis, and then there's me. So according to the 3 owners, Luis always likes putting it right here on this one. I usually go to the buy. You know, I'm more optimistic, you know. But hindsight, let's take a look. Let's compare. Let's see who was right. From here you would go 1, 2, 3, right? And according to me, you should get out right here. Okay? And guess what, guys? I was right. One for Alvaro. What about Luis? Luis said, no, you got to put it here. And according to Luis, you would have gotten out 1, 2, 3, and then here. You see? Luis would have been wrong. Luis's out would have been 462. Mine was 501. Okay, so let's watch. Let's see who's right, Luis or me. Luis says to be put it here. Me, I say put it there. Luis here, me there. Luis here, me there. Okay, if you put it here, you get a median line here. If you put it where I say, which is here, where the buy is, you get a median line over here. Let's play it. Let's see who was right. Dun, dun, dun. Can't wait. Luis, you're on. It hit my exit. It hit the $5. Bam! Ba-boom! Or like the trading algo says, boom skis. So Luis was wrong. 1 for Alvaro. 0 for Luis today. Good news, guys. David, Luis, and I, we all traded this stock. No, actually, we all traded AUUD, and we all made money on AUUD. And then David and I, we turned around and made money on this one. I don't know, Luis. We didn't talk to him. But look at that. It went way past my median line. But look, guys, don't feel bad. Don't be like, oh, I should have gone higher. No, you always go for the median line, because that is going to be your money-making edge. If you have an edge, you can make money. If you don't have an edge, then it's gambling. Okay? Remember, AUD was more like gambling. Remember AUD? That's like gambling. Where's my pitchfork? Where's my edge? I don't know when to get out, you know? But on LBGN, the pitchfork is supreme. Look at this. It tells me get out here. Now that it happened to go higher, that it happened to give more money, don't worry about it. Don't stress. Look, 36% will take you to the promised land. That promised land is $1 million, baby. You want to make $1 million, you hit 30%, 36%, man. You know one number that is always on my mind? 26%. Because if you get 26% every day for 3 days, 1.26 times 1.26 times 1.26 is equal to 2. And you know what happens to your money when you multiply by 2? You double your money. So 36% is bigger than 26%. So, hey, you know, it was amazing. It was fantastic. I love these trades. I could do these trades all day. So that's it for today, guys. It was beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day. Remember that our Discord Trading Max Club has those tickers, and those tickers are godly. Let me show you another one. You're not gonna believe it, but you see this ticker down here at 8:55 a.m. We kind of like got distracted because first it printed like a little emoji that says, I wonder, right? So at 8:55 a.m., LFIW sprung up, and then all of a sudden it had a little rocket. And let's take a look at LFIW. Guys, it was amazing. We kind of got distracted and we did not go look at LFIW. Had we gone to look at LFIW, oh my God, guys, it was an amazing stock. I don't know why I guess we were so elated that we had made money, we just stopped looking at the stocks. But look at this, guys. Remember the timer? Okay, let's go back to our Discord. And by the way, guys, pretty soon we're gonna be able to offer you guys this Discord. We're gonna be offering them for $36 a month. Gives you these live ticker feed to your phone. Okay, just the way you see it here, it's gonna be coming out to your phone, and you're gonna be able to see it on Discord. Or for $120 a year, you're gonna be able to give you like a big time membership discount if you buy a yearly. And then for $79, you're gonna be able to get not only the tickers, but you're gonna be able to get my pitchfork out alerts, which is, you know, very important on some of these trades, right? So let's take a look at LFIW, right? LFIW at what time was it? It was at 8:55 a.m. If we go back to the chart, Let's take a look at 8:55 a.m. 8:55 a.m. Oh my God. Look at it. That means when we got out of that second trade, we should have gone to our Discord and looked at the ticker LFIW. Because, guys, look at this. At 8:55 a.m., it was right here. We could have bought it right there and sold it right here. That's the potential. I'm not saying that you could have made it perfectly, but for sure you could have made some sort of percentage within 53%, right? Even if you would have done half, if you would have been clumsy about it, even if you would have gotten, let's say that you got in here and you got out here for some reason, you know, somewhere in the middle, you still could have made at least 30%, which is killer, guys, killer. So if anybody's interested in that Discord and to get the tickers sent to your phone, please contact us. We will be having some good sales, especially that yearly plan. Instead of paying $39 a month, you could pay $120 for a full year. All right, guys, and the tickers are amazing. I mean, look at them. They're just juicy, juicy tickers. It has the same ideas that we're using to get in ourselves. It's got the same ideas. We coded this. It has all the things that we're looking for. All right, guys. Let's have an excellent day. Happy trading. Today was fantastic. Remember, we had two good trades today. On our way here, we got AUD 24%, LGBN 36%. It was amazing. All right, guys. See you later, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that smash bell notification.